everybody. Today I literally thought I was.
Excuse me, Aisha, summer cat, black cat. You're using my sister's tablet to give it back.
That's what she did.
Why are you doing in a house? Give it back of the tablet. Or
I'm not giving back the tablet.
We're gonna have that tense fight. You better give it back.
Oh my God, what is she doing?
I don't really know. She's just scooting around on the table.
But darling, let's face it. Sorry, I thought I was recording and then I found out that I wasn't. And plus, my name is Aisha. Aisha Summer Black Cat.
Okay, you don't have to tell us.
Yeah.
Aisha, you really need to get good at editing.
Just shut up.
Aisha, we can help you.
No, nobody cares.
You have to add the detail on the carrot.
We don't wanna. I don't go with detail. I go with fun.
What do you mean about we?
I made the ugliest face. What? But darling, let's face it. Sorry, But darling, let's face it. What's kind of going on? There, that's that. Wait, I'm not done. Okay, now we need. Let's go with that color. What the hell? What are you doing?
You're doing a pattern. Don't worry, that's nobody really appropriate. It's just my baby sister named Mahira.
Ew.
Don't say ew to my sister. Aisha, Summer, Black Cat.
You can just call me Aisha, you know, it's not that hard.
I know, but I like Aisha. Summer. Ew, don't put your stinky sock on me.
It's not stinky, I literally wore it today. You're stinky, you don't even wear socks in your sneakers.
Actually, I do.
No, you don't.
I do.
No, you
I
don't.
just pulled them really tight.
No, you don't. I literally see nothing in your foot.
Only because I hate it.
Wait, you don't wear socks under your shoes, right? Exactly. There.
I do.
Stop.
No, you don't. She doesn't even wear socks under her.
You guys, ours is disgusting.
Aisha, you're recording?
Oh, yeah, I'm recording.
Aisha, delete that bit.
Sorry, I'm not gonna delete that bit. But darling, let's play some.
But Aisha, you're not allowed to upload this.
Yeah, I am.
No, we gave a bad idea giving Aisha this.
Can I, please? She agreed, so I can. Can I kill you?
I hear it. Stop! Stop! My baby! She couldn't breathe.
Stop! What?
What?
Ew! What?
Aisha, you just had a pit level.
I'm recording. What the hell is that?
What?
How did you never not notice that? No.
I have never noticed that for my whole life. My whole gosh dang life.
Dang, diggity, dang,
I know I don't have food right now. I want some.
What?
Look, then after you're done this, I will show you. The cute thing is this. Oh my goodness. There. And then now I got to mix it up. Wait, where's the mixing?
The smudge?
Oh, yeah.
It's not even smudging. But darling, let's face it. We'll get snacks.
Yum! I got snacks.
What is that?
Where Onisha just said go get snacks. Onisha just brained it. I got snacks.
Salty.
Okay, Garuza. No, she's not doing Rosa. Oh. Now I'm gonna show you.
Hey guys, how do you think about?
You wanna take everything from me? Look at this.
Are these reds?
I think so.
No. Yeah, they're dangerous.
Huh?
Yeah, these cookies are dangerous.
I said reds. What are you doing, my drawing?
It's already stained.
You made it look like crap.
No, I didn't. Look.
That's chocolate.
Okay, fine. I'll remove it.
I moved this way before you.
No, I did.
Actually,
I did.
I did.
When?
2018.
That time it was never got born.
I was born in 2012, dum dum.
You never used this app before. You just
Okay, bye, dum dums. Bye bye. Bye bye.